Little Christmas Eve morning breakfast during the ice capades all around us. It's nothing but a sheet, a glaze of ice. All right, so we're going to put this plow system on the Ranger today. I got a late start, but I'm in here now. So basically, this is a Polaris heavy-duty system with the power up and the power tilt, or left and right on the blade. And we just have to wire it up and go play with it, see if it works. All right, here we go. Okay, this is what it looks like under here. So we're gonna add some relays and get into the dash, and hopefully we can get it rigged up so we can run that blade. Okay, so now this is the relay kit and controller that you replace your gear shift knob with. Anyway, so let's get this fastened down up here. Get those wires out of it. Okay, I know this wire, that goes to our gear shift lever, so that's gonna go up here. Hopefully I can find that up under there. See if I can poke it up in there a little bit. I hope I can find that. And then this piece, put it in this bank right here. Okay, we're gonna see if we can pick those wires up and hook everything up by going through the instrument cluster instead of the center part of the dash, because this has got a lot of wires and stuff going through it. So I'm gonna try to do this first. So I can get these. Push pins out of here. All right, we're gonna unplug this if I can. Okay, got that. Not sure why that connector is undone. All right, now maybe let's see what we can do. I'm gonna reach back in there and grab those wires. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to reach in with my hand. Try to find this little wire right there. Pull. This. I think this will be easy. Yeah, I'll get that screw out and put the new one on. That's gonna be a 27? Yeah, that's what that is a 27 screw. I think we're gonna reuse that screw, and then that pops off. Okay, here's our controller. pigtail. Anyway, this cap comes off, and you can hook these wires up however you want it. You can make it to where this is down and this is up, or this is up and this is down, and you know, left, right, and you can totally change those. It'd be really nice if I had a big piece of heat shrink to put through this, or on that too. I'm gonna look and see if I got some heat shrink. Okay, I think the screw, it comes in from this side now. On this. Make sure that clicks in good. Back. Okay. Now let's see if we have any power to our relays. I can hear them clicking. Good deal. Let's route these wires, because they go to the plow. So I need to run these down and then out here to the bumper somewhere where it's handy to get to these. All right. I think first I'm going to take these clips off, and that'll let me pull it down through there easier, and then I can zip tie it wherever I want. I think these are just going to hinder us trying to work that down through there. Maybe we'll take this grill out, and that might help us. Let's get rid of this axe and shovel too. Pulaski. Now that we got rid of the shovel and the Pulaski, I might be able to come down in through here and out a little bit better. Come out there, come out here. Come under this bar. Pull our slack. Now, these are marked. This one's marked lift. This one's marked tilt. The lift one will come up the passenger side, and the tilt is on the driver's. So now we just got to figure out where we want these piggy tails at. Be nice if they would. There's a couple of holes right here on each side. This bumper, I'm going to come down through here. There's some little holes here, and that's where I'm going to put the connectors, or the caps to these. And up here, we're going to tuck this underneath this lip and over. Okay, now I got these fastened here, the caps. Now it's time to fasten those wires underneath this lip and hide them. Pull this over and put our grill back on, and then test out our plow. I need a few more zip ties. that's it. That's how easy it is to hook this thing up to the Ranger. Now, we just need to this up to there. This one up to here. And then these really should be hooked in right here and there with something, zip tie or something, huh? But for now, let's just see if this is gonna work. Okay, key on. Now I think that's gonna be oh, that was that sound we heard was the foot getting tripped on the plow blade automatically. Ooh, that looks nice and high. Now, how cool is that? Wow, that's really cool. Nice. All right. Well, let's button this dude back up and we'll go play with it. Okay, I'm just setting the gap underneath this blade. Right now I want it to be a little bit up above the surface because these are going to dig in a little bit. Anyway, I'm just setting both sides the same on these adjustments with that cotter pin. All right, let's get the window washed and go out and play in the snow. Okay, works pretty good, even in the ice. That's just hard to plow right now. It's all icing up, but we'll be ready to catch it now if it snows some more.